Saddle supports. These are again very important pipe supports which you will find generally in piping systems. So in this part in this section we are going to talk about saddle supports. So as we have done for all the sections, all other sections related to pipe supports, for saddles also, if you go to this link, you will see few multiple choice questions at the beginning of this section. If you click over any of the options and click over the show answer, you will come to know whether it is right or wrong. If it is green, it is right. If it is red, then for example this, then this is a wrong selection. Along with that, the correct one will also be highlighted as green. So along with that, there will be explanation. So in such a way, you can look into the quiz part at the beginning of this section. If you already if you are aware of this subject, that is saddle support, you can attempt at the beginning, or you can attempt this quiz after going through this video. So these are the sections which we have already covered: purpose of pipe supports and pipe restraints, pipe support standard, pipe support location, determination of loads, shoe support, and now we are talking about saddle support. So let's go to the main section of this part, that is saddle support. If you see, these are very heavy duty heroes of piping world. Why we are calling heavy duty? Because these supports are generally used for very high, or you can say large sizes, large diameter. For example, in any of the project you will see flare line which will be of higher size most of the cases. So you will find these kind of supports for very high sizes, especially at top of pipe rack. So let us look at few of the key features. The first one is strength, right? As we talked about, the size for which these kind of supports are used are very large. That means they are very heavy. So a lot of strength is added by these supports also. So these are featuring a reinforcement pad for added stability. If you see, there may be a reinforcement pad in between the support and pipe. Along with that, if you see, the material grade of these supports is, most of the cases it is similar to the pipe, right? So that way that means the saddle supports, they can withstand the substantial weight and potential pressure exerted by the pipe. So this is how the strength is important here, which is added by these pipe supports. Curved comfort. Now the size, when we are talking about very large sizes, for example 72 inch or maybe 100 inch, 102 inch, then this curvature is very important, right? So this is adding additional comfort into the system. We are able to provide such support at the bottom which will be having such curves, right? So unlike flat shoes, saddle support boasts a distinctive curved design. This allows them to snugly fit around the pipe and distributing the load also. So this curve is helping us to distribute the load very effectively towards the bottom of the supporting structure. Now, versatile champion. While primary is used for large diameter pipes, saddle support can also be used for smaller pipes. We just need to adjust the sizes and curvature. Although this may be a complicated or a costly affair, but still there is a flexibility. We can go with such supports if required. That depends on various piping configurations. Maybe this can be a very good solution if required for smaller sizes also. That is why we are saying these are versatile champion. For large as well as small size, we can go for these kind of supports. Welding warriors. These supports are typically secured to pipe through welding, right? We can see this is welded with the pipe and it will be attached. It will be kind of part of this pipe itself once it is welded. That means it is creating a permanent and robust connection. This curvature, once it is welded, maybe directly or with the pad, in most of the cases you will find this pad, but this can be without pad. So once it is connected, this will provide a very permanent and robust connection. This ensures they remain firmly in place even under extreme loads and vibrations, right? So very large sizes, curvature is there. Once welded, it is part of this. So any vibration will be transferred to this will be transferred to the uh, secondary support. So these are acting as intermediate connection between pipe and resting support. So these are absorbing such vibration, hence the system will be more stable. So as we talked about these, if we talk about the application, the pipelines, we will find these kind of supports, process piping and offshore platforms, right? So these are uh, adding really very good stability into the piping system. So this is what we are saying: don't underestimate the power of well designed saddle support. These are robust players that are essential for safe and efficient operation of piping systems. So this is something about piping support, that is saddle support for large diameters. So this was something about saddle support. In next part we'll talk about anchor support. So thank you for watching. See you in the next part.